Morning, starting the day with a homemade iced latte and IKEA cinnamon rolls. Stay tuned for my K-barbecue lunch at home. Step 1. Wash the lettuce. I bought lettuce from Costco. It looks so clean and the crunch is just next level. Time to prep the pork. Just simple, easy slices and we are good to go. I got this beef from H-Mart. The quality is amazing. Just give it a quick rinse and it's perfect. Time to add some flavor. I'm using Korean barbecue sauce to marinate the meat. It's going to be so tasty. Barbecue and black tea are the best match. I need my cup cold with ice. Start with a hot pan and oil. Sear the pork first to get all that flavor out.
太爽了，吃。
My first time trying canned Boba. It's a bit sweet, so extra ice is a must. Chinese BBQ for dinner? What a barbecue day! I definitely overeat today. So guilty. See you guys next time.